friends, this is your Touchpoint official here. Now we are going to see how to remove Blogger folder credits. More people are struggling why we cannot remove the Blogger uh, credits below. You can see this is my blog, and this blog is created by Sora Templates, distributed by GoEB Templates. But we have to make it because the this website, now we have created a website, means this website is belong to us. Then we have to keep everything as belongs to us. But in this you can see this website is belongs to us only, but it's showing this blog has been created by some other companies. You can see this website is been created by from them. Now we are going to remove these credits and make it as a copyright to the Touchpoint official. Now we are going to see how to remove that. It's an easy and simple way. Just do what I do, and the code will be given in the description. You can download that code and paste it in that. Now just follow my instructions, and yeah, if you did not understand this, I will give my blog address. You can go there, and I have given step by step introductions, so you can follow that. Now let's get into this video. Before going into this video, please make sure you are subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon. Open the blogger of yours, or log into your Google account, and go to the blogger, and you can see the left corner. You can see that themes option. Click on the theme option. After getting in the theme option, you can see that customized, but now this is blog has been upgraded to legacy blogger. Only you can see that new blogger settings. Go to that edit HTML option, click on that. After clicking on that, you can see this HTML type codes and everything. Don't edit anything. Go to your blog, and you can see here created by Sora Templates. Copy that created by. Just you have to how to find that where is that created by Sora Templates. You cannot find it. You cannot find it at all. For that you have to in laptop you have to press Control and F. You can see that search bar has been opened here. Paste that. Just sorry. Control F. Just type CREATE, created by. Because this template has been starting, copyright has been starting by created by. If you have anything powered by and association with like that, means just search into that. I got created by over here. Just I am searching created by. If I click enter, you can see a copyright area created by Sora Templates. It's showing here. Now I want to change it into my blogger address. Now how to do? Just I'm follow my instruction of what I do. Just the code will be given in the video description. You can copy and paste that paste that code in that. Just after copyright area, you can see that green mark over here. Just click on enter. After copyright area, you have to paste that code in that copyright area only. Do not change anything. If you change anything, the blog will be like corrupted. You cannot do anything. After that, please click on save. Don't forget that if you did not click that save, it will be not be saved what you edited. After you can see this closing div is not matching over here. For that, you have to copy this div, paste over here and here. You must not get that red one. Please maintain that one, please. Div, copy, paste. After pasting that, click on save. It is progressing. It is saying update successfully. Go to your blog. You can see that still it's showing created by Sora templates. Just I'm going to refresh this blog. After refreshing, you can see here copyright CC to 2020 touch point official outright received. I have changed that. You can see that I have changed. You can see before that it was created by. Now I changed it to copyright 2020. This is a way, but do not remove this code. What I'm showing this, do not remove this. If you remove this, the original website theme will be redirected to that owner who has created this website template. Do not remove this code. Just paste that above only what I given the code. I will be given this code in the my blog address. Go to that and copy and paste it in the that. Do not remove this or edit anything in this. Just copy as it is. Only you have to change this your name and URL, or let it be no problem. Just change your name. That URL I will be blocked and I will not be redirected. Just change your name only. If you have anything touch official blogging templates like anything, you please change that one. Do not do any editing or changes in that. Again, please click on save. Go to your blog. Again, refresh your page. You can see here still I got copyright CC. Still I've taken that means on the 30 seconds. Still my blog has been not been redirected to the owner. It is still in my website only. This is the way how to remove copyright credit from the blogger. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. For more updates, please visit my Instagram. I will be given link in this below, or you can visit my Telegram channel and you can be commenting. I will be available for 24 hours. If you have any doubts, just comment me. I will help you. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.